Now, the Batenge Katenge war cry is raging on, and it is the Chief Minister of the state of Uttar Pradesh, Yogi Adityanath, who's speaking about it. Yogi Adityanath, after the Congress chief Mallikarjun Kharge attacked Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Yogi Adityanath once again has fired the salvo, and he said, "Batenge nahi to katenge nahi." किसी के माय के लाल में दम नहीं है. This is what Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has said, and he said this is something that everyone in the country needs to follow. Now, it is Mallikarjun Kharge who said Saffron Yogi is divisive like a terrorist. We are seeing sharp retorts coming in both from the Bharatiya Janata Party and from the BJP. Now, for the BJP, the war cry for the state of Maharashtra is Batenge to Katenge, and this is a slogan which has been given by Chief Minister of the state of Uttar Pradesh, Yogi Adityanath.
बटे थे तो कटे थे, अब एक रहेंगे तो सेफ रहेंगे, और सेफ रहने के लिए ही आपका आह्वान करने के लिए मैं आया हूं कि बहनों और भाइयों, समय आ गया है जब प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी के विजन के अनुरूप भारत को दुनिया की सबसे बड़ी ताकत के रूप में स्थापित करना है। सबसे बड़ी ताकत के रूप में भारत को स्थापित करना है, लेकिन उसके लिए एक भारत चाहिए, एक भारत और श्रेष्ठ भारत। भारत श्रेष्ठ तब बनेगा जब एक रहेगा।
News that's coming in at the moment, it is Akhilesh Yadav, the Samajwadi Party chief, who's now taken on Yogi Adityanath, and he has said all that Yogi Adityanath has been saying is that he wants to make sure that the entire country is now divided. That's what the BJP wants to do. Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav has now slammed Yogi Adityanath's Batenge slogan. He said BJP slogan is only showing how negative they have become. In fact, Akhilesh Yadav goes a step ahead and says that BJP trades in fear and they are the businessmen of terror.
जो नारा दिया है दुनिया में के इतिहास में कहीं इतना नेगेटिव नारा नहीं दिया होगा जो ये नेगेटिव नारा दिया है इन्होंने। ये दुनिया के इतिहास में कभी ऐसा नारा नहीं आया होगा कि बटोगे तो कटोगे। और ये नारा कहां से लेकर के आए? ये नारा वहीं से अंग्रेजों से सीख करके आए जिन्होंने कभी कहा था डिवाइड एंड रूल। डिवाइड का मतलब क्या होता है? डिवाइड का मतलब क्या है? वही है जो ये नारे में दे रहे हैं। ये जो डिवाइड एंड रूल वाले लोग हैं, ये उन्हीं अंग्रेजों के विचार बंसी हैं, उन्हीं अंग्रेजों के वचन बंसी हैं जिन्होंने इस देश को बांट करके राज करने का काम किया था।
My colleague Samarth Srivastava is now joining me on the story. Samarth, we have seen how it is the entire opposition on one side, the BJP and its allies on the other side. Now, what Yogi Adityanath said in the state of Maharashtra, a response to that has come in from the Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav.
Well, exactly, Aishwarya. Accusing the BJP of peddling fear through Batenge to Katenge slogan, the former UP CM has said that the party was in the business of trading fear. He even said that the political history of this world has never come across a slogan like Batenge to Katenge. The slogan has been coined by those Englishmen who had once talked about divide and rule. He even said that BJP people are traders of fear. And what he was in a way addressing a rally in the Kudarki where he said all these things. He even said that the struggle to save constitution has not ended as the BJP have captured institutions. People from PDA, that means Pichhda, Dalit and Alpasankhyak, are not getting jobs. He even stressed on the PDA thing that the PDA represents positive forces, etc. But the major target of Akhilesh Yadav in the rally was on CM Yogi Adityanath, and especially on his statement, Batenge to Katenge, as we see posters around the Samajwadi Party. Every day a new poster is being erected, while on the other hand, Akhilesh Yadav is not taking on the Batenge to Katenge, while we saw Mallikarjun Kharge also slamming that particular statement, and now Akhilesh Yadav, we can see how countering this particular statement and comparing it with the on the BJP the voters ahead of the elections. Back to you.
Thank you so much for giving us those details. It is now Akhilesh Yadav, the Samajwadi Party chief, who say that all that the BJP wants to do is to divide and rule the entire country.